Hi, I'm Jody Walker. I'm the perennial lot manager here at Milligers, and I get a lot of questions about how do I water my garden so that I know that it's getting enough. One of the ways that I like to test my plants, first of all, you can always look and see if the ground looks dry. If the plant is wilting, those of course are ways that you can tell that the plant needs water. However, it's hard to know if you're getting it in deep enough. So what I like to use is a plain bamboo stick. This is dry, and you can see what color it is while it's dry. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to kind of jam it in to the soil right here, 6 or 8 inches as far as I can go, down by the root zone of the plant, and I'm going to pull it up. And you can see a slight difference in color where it's a little bit damp, but I'm going to feel it with my fingers. It's barely damp. So this plant really could use some water, particularly if it's sunny like this, hot and dry. And so I'm going to go ahead and give this plant some water. Now, if this was newly planted this year, you would absolutely want to be watering it at least every other day. This is more established, so it doesn't necessarily have to get more than about once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on the weather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hose. I have a nice breaker on the end of it, a shower head, if you will. And I'm going to water just at the root zone of the plant right here. I'm not going to water over the top because there's nothing in the leaves that absorb water. And it's first of all, it can lead to fungal infections if there's a lot of free moisture on the top of the plant, but it also sort of wastes your water. So let's put it with the water where it belongs, right at the bottom. And I'm going to count, and it's going to seem very long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that is how much water that one plant needs. It seems interminable, but you really do need to give it that much. If you have a larger plant like this one here, or one of the shrubs back there, you're going to count maybe up to 60. Now, you don't do it all in one spot. You can move around like I showed you, but that way, if you're doing it long and slow, then you know that the root zone is getting enough water, and that the surrounding soil, which might be dry, is not pulling the water away from the plant, leaving nothing. So hopefully that helps, and your plants are going to be beautiful.